Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You power the phone off now. Removing the case prevents damage and lets you access the tray cleanly. Once done, insert the eject pins straight into the tiny hole and apply steady pressure until the tray pops out. Don't wiggle. Make sure you have 2 nano SIM cards ready and check the tray's notch orientation so you know which side is SIM1 versus SIM2 before placing them. You now position the SIMs with contacts facing down so the phone reads them. The small notch on each card aligns with the tray cutout and prevents incorrect placement. Once positioned, press gently until each sits flat. Never force the tray closed. If SIM2 shares a combo slot or is on a removable adapter, double-check seating. After that, visually inspect for dust or bent pins and clean You slide the tray back in with the same side up and press until it's flush. Do not force if it resists. Pull out and confirm card alignment. Boot the phone and go to Settings, then SIM Card Manager. Make sure both SIM slots show network names and signal bars. If one doesn't appear, power off, reseat the tray, and test each SIM alone to isolate a faulty card or tray problem. This simple swap narrows down whether the issue is hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.